Well, hello. Today I'm actually going to work on this thing. We need to get it back on the road so I can drive it. With that said, I have to get the fuel tank back in the strap, so first things first, let's do that. Oh, wasn't that bad. Ratchet strap in my jack. When I tried to do that a year ago, it took me forever. I couldn't have figured it out. Maybe I was hot, maybe I was tired, maybe I was hungry. I don't know, but maybe I'm smarter now. I don't know. Okay, so on to my next project. So this is the sending unit. It's old and decrepit. So I bought a fancy, handy-dandy Fleece sending unit. Like a year ago. Fittings. Gasket. Here's the unit itself. Fancy. I'm guessing that they probably still have these in stock. One would hope. Because I'm showing this thing off. So let's get that off. Alrighty. Substantially bigger bug. Get out of here, bugs. So many bugs. Don't break things. I find it very interesting that it will not. There. So, sender turn. I'm gonna mark that. I'll be right back. Get out here, bugs. Nice, y'all. Oh, this is so fancy. I feel like a fancy pants boy. Uh-oh. There we go. Nice. Get here, bugs. Do what now? Oh, I didn't do that. Okay. Undo. I found it. It's way down here. Oh, dadgummit. Does it matter which way it goes? I guess it doesn't. That is important, though. Just sitting there. Okay, I'm having some technical difficulties. I'm assuming that doesn't really matter which way it goes. Whew. Oakley dokley. All right. Get here, bugs. There we go. Very good. Okay, so I'm gonna do some reading because now I have to do some splicing. So I'll be back, which sounds like pretty common self-explanatory advice. But I guess it wasn't for me. Come on, little baby girl. WTF, mate. This is definitely a bigger, heavier gauge. So I won't lie, this is pretty easy mod, especially if you're starting to have some troubles with your sending unit. This is a good thing to do. Okay. Don't feel like I have that much working with right now. If these don't work, I can always trim up more better. I don't really like that connection that well. I won't lie, that looks great. Super easy. But, to be fair, I don't have a bed. And then we'll try to figure out how to do this because this is pretty dry rot. Get out here, bugs. Why, there's so many bugs. Okay, so you just pull this out and then put your new one in. Oh no, don't go, don't let me lose you. almost. Lordy. Might need two hands. Scare me. Yeah. Okay, well, that's nice and new on there. So that was nice. Okay, so that's fixed. All right, well, the fleece sending unit is now in. Oh, that's fancy. Should have done that a year ago. But, oh well, it's done now. We can start doing other things. So, paint, getting ready for paint. Fix the brakes. Got a new master cylinder, so that'll be going in a week or two, I'm hoping. We'll plan. So we'll see how it goes. So like, follow, subscribe. Ugh, I hate saying that. Blah. Don't have to do any of that. You can watch. Have a good rest of your day, and don't do anything I want to do.